what's up, Meatheads? Wanted to talk to you a little bit about my 2018 goals and get them on YouTube and get them, basically making me accountable so I can really try to work toward these throughout the 2018 year. A couple days late here. I was traveling in Miami and had a good time, but it took me a couple days to get back, get caught up on work, and then get everything squared away for as far as the goals and everything written down. So let's take a look here. Let's talk about YouTube here. I don't have too many followers right now. I've never really done that much YouTube. It hasn't really been a priority, but 2018 I'm going to make it a priority, and I'm going to put it into my daily routine to deliver value. I read a ton of books and I watch a lot of other gurus and buy a ton of courses and go to masterminds, and I do a lot of stuff that I think can add value to a lot of people's lives. So I'm going to really do a lot of broadcasts throughout the year. I'm going to try to get to a point where I'm doing like every day. Maybe starting out in the beginning, I might do like maybe 3 times a week, 4 times a week, maybe 5 times a week. Just depends on what I got going, because I'm not going to start talking about something unless I've thoroughly vented it. I'm going to like do a lot of softwares and show you guys how I use it, that kind of stuff. So it takes a lot of time sometimes to set these things up and be fully prepared for an actual video. So let's get started. Let's talk about 2018. My goal is to grow my YouTube to 25K followers by the end of 2018. And I think with some, good content and, syndication, and I got a huge, social media following on Facebook and whatnot. I've used that for my other business for years. And I know there's a lot of people that are, sick of their jobs and looking for, other ways to make money. So I'm pretty sure I can, get some people out of there. And then, I got a big email list. I got a big text message list. And, I'm going to be running some paid ads. So there's a lot of things I can do to really grow the channel. But I think 25K followers is really achievable. Let's talk about crypto for a minute. Probably the hottest thing to talk about in the in the internet right now. Crypto's kind of put a lot of stuff in the back seat. I've currently got about 5K, maybe 6K invested into my crypto accounts. I own some Litecoin, some Bitcoin, some BitConnect. I do have some Ethereum and some Bitcoin Cash. And I am invested in BitConnect, and I am actually doing some lending and making a little bit of interest every day. So right now I have about 6K invested. My goal by the end of the year is to have about 100K invested through either reinvestments or more, personal contributions, member contributions, whatever you want to call it. And my ideal situation is to get my investments and whatnot up to about $1,000 a day profit. So it means that like pretty much I could replace my annual like company draw that I take from my company with just my crypto profits. So right now it's the hottest thing on the planet. Everybody's talking about it. A lot of people are jumping in, driving up the prices. There's a lot of speculation. I encourage everybody to do their due diligence before they invest in crypto. But just to give you an idea, and I'm going to be doing a whole crypto video this weekend and showing everybody what I did. And I've already made like almost $1,000 in like a week. But it's speculative. I'm not planning on selling. So unless you're selling, you're not taking that money out of the game and putting it in your pocket. But all right, let's talk about Instagram and Snap. Instagram, I need to come up with some kind of plan, like what I'm going to do with Instagram stories and Snap for 2018. I don't Snap a lot, and I really don't do any Instagram stories. It's not been a big thing for me. I think I'm going to start doing it more as I start building my personal brand and whatnot. So I'm gonna come up with some kind of strategic plan. Maybe I can give you guys an update on that later in the month once I figure out how I'm going to go about that. I started a new like entrepreneur channel for Instagram, and I have some software that I use, and I just started playing around with. I think it's called like Follow Adder. I'll be giving you guys a kind of a demo on that later, maybe next week. Once I really start to play around with it. Anyway, we started using the software on a brand new profile, Brian Fox Pfeiffer, and the profile got shut down. So it's already banned. So I don't recommend using Follow Adder on a new profile. It's not going to probably work too well for you. It got my profile banned within like a couple days. So we're using it on other profiles that are more seasoned. So I think that's okay. And I hope I don't lose any other profiles, but that's that. So I'm going to start another channel. I got to see what's available. I know my first and last name are not available. Someone else has that. Maybe I'll come up with something else close to, you know, what I have. But my idea was to start like a personal brand channel, like that has to do with, like, you know, the making money online niche and the personal branding niche, you know, that kind of stuff, the crypto, etc. You know, it has to do with, you know, education and making money, and obviously affiliate marketing, which is, you know, what I do. And then I also own a lot of number of businesses as well. So so those are going to be new profiles. I'm going to start from scratch, and you know, we can kind of document the success of those profiles as my personal brand grows throughout the year. And you know, it'd be nice to see like 25K followers and, you know, maybe 20K fans. I think that's a realistic number to hit over the course of a year, and that's with me doing, you know, like daily posts, you know, actually adding value, putting out content that people want to read, you know, that kind of stuff, not just posting about you know, nightclub flyers and crap like that, which is what my other channels do, and that stuff doesn't work very well anymore these days. So you know, these are my nightclub stuff. I'm going to try to get those up to 10K with tools and whatnot I'm going to be using, and taking some of the tricks from my personal branding stuff and putting them toward those as well. I have a couple other business profiles here. My Bachelor Vegas company, I'm trying to take that from, you know, nothing, basically 127 to 5K. Vegas VIP services. For some reason I can't get logged in on that one, and I've hit up Instagram a number of times and I cannot seem to get my password reset. So right now I'm at 5 followers, and there's, you know, obviously no way I can even grow that account until I can log in. So worst case for that, I'll start a new one from scratch and try to get that to 5K. I have a couple big events that I own part of in Chicago. The Haunted Halloween Ball. It's at 358K. I just started this one in mid-October, and I should be able to get that to 1K by the time Halloween starts ramping up next year. And then the Chicago NOA Ball is at 208. I just started this one in December, and I'll try to get that one to 1K by the time New Year starts ramping up next year. So both those, hopefully to 1K. That should be pretty easy, actually. I can probably do that with personal friends. And then I got a new Shopify store that we're working on for the Bachelorettes, and I own Bachelorette Vegas as well. .com, and we're going to try to take that one to 0 to 5K. So that's Instagram. Got a lot of work there. I do have a VA that helps me out with some of my Instagram stuff. We do got that new software called Follow Adder, which I'll do a full demo on probably next week sometime. And obviously, if you guys like what you see, I'll have an affiliate link for that as well. But let me vet it first and make sure. It looks really good. I've already kind of went through it, and it's got everything on there that I need. It was recommended to me by one of my mentors, and I think it's going to do what we need to help me really grow these profiles. So on Facebook, you know, Facebook's really become a pay-to-play platform, guys. You know, I'll be honest with you, the organic reach these days with your pages and the profiles and anything else is shit. You know, for lack of a better word, it really is just junk. I mean, you know, if you notice on Facebook, you probably look at your feed fairly often, because most people do. I do as well. And I'm mostly looking for ads on there more so than anything else. But I like to check out what my friends are doing and whatnot. But it's always like the same, like 20 friends that Facebook throws at you. You know, you like their posts, and then Facebook continues to just, you know, put those people's stuff in there. And I mean, I have 5,000 friends on almost all my profiles, and I have a bunch of profiles, and they're all personal friends, and I only see like the top like 20 people. So, you know, I don't see anything from fan pages. I don't see anything from, you know, anybody posting. It's all paid ads and your top 20 friends. That's it. I mean, I don't care what anybody says. It's really gotten to the point where it's only that, and you cannot really make money off posting to 20 people, and unless you're paying to play and you're getting in people's news feeds that way. So it's a pay-to-play platform, guys. I spent over $1 million last year just on Facebook ads. You know, I can show proof of that in a later video. And we're spending probably right now $1,000 to $2,000 a day on Facebook ads for our affiliate stuff. So, you know, it still works for that. I mean, I don't know how long it's going to keep lasting unless they start mixing it up a little bit more. I mean, I personally feel like it's getting a little bit tired, in my personal opinion. All these new young kids I'm friends with and hang out with, they're like all on Snapchat, and that's what they're used to communicate with and talk with. So, you know, but I know Snapchat needs money, and they're not making much money. So who knows, man? There's a lot of, you know, speculation with Snapchat, and you know, Facebook definitely works. I mean, we pay to play on that platform, and it works. So, you know, I'll be doing a lot of stuff throughout the course of the year on Facebook, showing you guys some of the stuff we're doing. And you know, if you want to jump on to the Facebook train right now, we have a great course below in the description here, and you can buy that for $4.97 and get started on Facebook. Basically, you can basically up and running and making money with affiliate commissions in about a week or less if you go through the course and follow what we show you. So it's a great course. I mean, we already got a lot of success stories and whatnot. And if you're interested in getting into the Facebook game with affiliate marketing, we have a great course for you to get you started. Basically, we give you a working campaign. Nobody's going to do that out there. We're probably the only ones out there that actually have a full-on working campaign ready to go. And all you got to do is kind of set it up, plug and play around with your images and whatnot. And we teach you how to do all that. So anyway, let's move on here. I want to start a Facebook group, possibly like a public group. We actually kind of already have one. We haven't really done much with it yet. And then possibly a private group for my students and whatnot. I've done a couple coaching groups and had a number of success stories already. So I got to think about how I'm going to go that route. But that's a couple of the goals for 2018. And possibly a crypto group. As I start to grow my investments, like I said, I've already made about $1,000 in a week. I have a lot of friends and whatnot in the industry, and everybody's talking about it. Everybody's a winner right now, man. So don't think about, don't take advice from everybody. I'm a winner. Everybody's a winner. I understand the space. I get it. But at the same time, I mean, the speculation factor is going on right now. So I don't want to go too long right now on crypto until I see what's going to happen. I'm going to invest some and ramp it up slowly, and we'll see how it goes. So that's my Facebook goals for 2018. So let's talk about Twitter here for a second. I'm not too long on Twitter, to be honest with you. I've got a lot of Twitter accounts, and I really hardly ever get anything from it. There's so much spam on there. Like, it's just, I don't get much on there. I don't get many leads. I'm going to probably just take one of my Twitter accounts and kind of roll with it with my entrepreneur / affiliate marketing / crypto, and we'll see where it goes. So, I'm just going to just work with one of those and just have that be my main one. Pinterest, probably have my VA work on a bachelorette party shop for the new Shopify store to kind of go along with my bachelorette Vegas company. It's all women on Pinterest pretty much, and they buy stuff. They buy a lot of stuff, and they do bachelorette parties. And it's funny because the guys don't buy anything for bachelor parties except strippers and bottle service, but occasionally some limos and whatnot. But the girls, they buy all this other crap like sashes and shirts, and they got so many different things they buy. So I'm going to kind of go after that niche because I have so much traffic already for my bachelorette site. So I'll be giving you guys updates on that and how that's going throughout the next month or two. I was planning on building it last week. I can build a real nice Shopify store with all the bells and whistles in a couple days, but I haven't got around to it yet. So I was traveling, and the Florida weather got to me, so I didn't make it make it around to it yet. And this weekend we got got a seminar Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then we got the affiliate summit on Monday and Tuesday. So I probably won't even have a chance to get to this till maybe next week or weekend. So anyway, we'll get that started. We'll get the Pinterest and the Instagram, and we'll kind of give you guys updates on how that goes. And once we start getting some sales in, we'll show you guys and all that stuff. We're going to put it in our automation, to all the quotes we're doing and whatnot. So the Shopify, that kind of leads into my Shopify. We got the bachelorette party shop. I'd like to get to $3K a month profit maybe by March. I think that's doable. We do a lot of bachelorette parties in March through October, and I think realistically we could start to see some sales. We're going to be doing some SEO on it as well. I have a full-time SEO developer that's going to be helping out with that a little bit. And so, yeah, we'll keep you guys updated on that. So that's one of the goals for 2018. And then we do have another store called holidaygift.hub.com. And that's we haven't done much with it. We had a decent amount of sales in December. It wasn't, over the top. I don't even know what the total was. But I'd like to run with a hot product and take that store and, try to find maybe something that I can run on that store and make it profitable. By February. So that's one of the things I'll work on and be updating you guys on. So, that's Shopify. I didn't put anything with Amazon on here, FBA. We are playing around a little bit with FBA. I'm not an expert, and neither is my business partner, but it seems like there's a lot of interest in people that are looking for FBA. So, our idea was maybe put out a free Shopify course and a free FBA course over time, and then hopefully you guys like our stuff, and then take our actual affiliate marketing course that is the real deal. So the affiliate marketing stuff works, man. We're really good at that. We've been doing it for a number of years. We're kind of well known in the industry as some of the top affiliates around. So we pretty much do mostly Facebook and some Google, But we do have a pretty good course for you guys down there that you guys should definitely consider taking. These are my businesses that I own. I own Bachelor Vegas, Real Nightlife, Bachelorette Vegas, Vegas VIP Services, Exploring Las Vegas. Those are all my main websites for lead gen in Las Vegas. They're all underneath my umbrella of my main corporation called Surreal LLC. I'd like to get, my profit on these sites last year was probably at least 300 to 400K. I'd like to get that, maybe double it this year with paid traffic. I don't have the exact numbers. My accountant's still doing the taxes, so I don't really know exactly what they were, but I can kind of ballpark it. But I'd like to double that, and I know I could do that with some paid traffic. We're doing quite a bit of SEO on these sites. We're going to be doing some more. Looks like it's misspelled there. Referrals, and obviously we do heavy work on reviews. So as we progress with these sites and add more reviews, I know Bachelor Vegas has like 50 Google reviews right now. So the magic number is 150. That really gives you like some clout in your AdWords. When you're running AdWords, and puts the actually your star rating up on the AdWords. So we're going to shoot for that this year. So that's one of the goals. And so yeah, basically I double my profit on these sites this year. Between the affiliate, the affiliate stuff, and the websites, and then the Shopify stuff. I mean, even this year we were well over 7 figures. Maybe we'll be multiple 7 figures this year. So that's kind of the goal. So we'll see. I mean, I know I can get to this 800K with just paid traffic. So it's a matter of getting my funnels in place, and we'll be giving you guys updates throughout the year on the funnels and stuff. Right now, we're just going after a couple keywords. We're going to kick in the Facebook. I'm setting up some automation right now. There's a lot of stuff we're doing for the sites to make them better. So we'll give you guys all the good stuff throughout the year, and you guys can model my success. There's not too many people that can do what I do in Vegas because of my years of experience and whatnot, but you can take what I'm going to show you guys and put it into any business and model it and be successful. So, and then the big new project for 2018 is nightpubs.com. The app's already under construction. The site, I need to fund it. I need about 100K to get it going, 150 to really get it going. It's in the middle of our slowest season right now in the businesses. So, probably end of first quarter, maybe early second quarter, I might be able to fund that out of my personal money. I could probably go and get a hard money loan and pay a stupid amount of interest, or refi the house and pull some money out there. I mean, there's a lot of creative things I could do to come up with $100,000, but I'd rather just go ahead and just fund it myself and not have to worry about anybody else or paying anything back. And then I know it's paid for and done. I'll go over that project in detail when I have the funding ready and the app's closer. And then we'll kind of play that along the the beginning stages to the end of the year, and you guys can see the progress on one of my new sites. So feel free to check out any of these sites. You'll see that they're all strong. They all rank really well on Google, and they generate a ton of leads. We get in like 20 to 40 leads a day, and we close a pretty decent amount, maybe like 10 to 15% of the leads get closed. So it's a good business. I mean, it's a lot of work. I have a full-time sales guy myself, full-time developer, and a full-time media buyer for all these businesses. So got a lot of stuff going on. 2018 is going to be a busy year, probably a lot of long hours here for me because I got so many things going on. But I'm going to do my best to kind of broadcast what I'm doing, showing you guys what I'm doing, and the things you can take what I'm doing and apply it to your businesses or business. And hopefully you guys know, like, and trust us, and give us, an opportunity to, potentially coach you. We're just finishing up our second coaching group. We've got a number of success stories already. We'll probably do 1, maybe 2 in 2018. We'll see. Depends how busy I am. I mean, the coaching does take away a lot of time from my other projects. So, but I do enjoy it. I do enjoy showing people, the stuff we're doing and getting them to make money online and be successful. So, I like to give back. So, that is the 2018 goals. I am now accountable to all these, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button and smash the notification bell, and